Darryl's vehicle's literally just got up on the hoist. We've got it set up, ready to go to start this J-Max install. Pretty excited because it's obviously our first one, so let's get to it and see how we go. It's going to be sick. Pretty much have stripped the vehicle of all its componentry in the rear. So we're just doing a bit of cleaning up to obviously get ready for the cradle to go in. So that will be a good time as well. So front end's going in, shocks, new springs, spacers, sway bar spacers, new bushes in the arms. And now we are just doing braided brake lines as well, to obviously cope with our new brake booster that will go in after we've done all this. Should be sweet. So that's day one of our first in-house J-Max kit. So we've got the vehicle stripped, all the arse end is out. We put the cradle up in there today just to see what things we need to cut out of the way, make our exhaust fit and the cradle sitting right, because this thing's had a 300mm extension. There's a couple of things in the way. Front end's done, shocks, springs, bushes in the arms, all sorted out. Our spacers for the sway bar are done, so new brake lines, braided brake lines are in as well. So the front end is pretty much ordered, sweet, it's happy days, ready to go. So yeah, tomorrow is cutting out some things and basically getting our cradle in. While I'm doing that, I'll probably get Ryan onto the diff and get him to build the diff, because obviously we need to put all our parts onto the new one, so it needs cleaning and assembling. But after that, you kind of just start putting all your parts in it. So once we've got that sorted out, we can start throwing things back in the truck. Should be a good time.
So it's day 2, waking up, as you can see. Today we need to cut out some things to obviously make our cradle fit.
Some things, Brett.
Some things. Alright, some things. Gotta cut out some
Brett
things.
is not a morning person. Are you a morning person, Brett?
Of course I am. Can you tell? Gonna cut out some things to obviously make our cradle fit where it needs to fit, and then I'm going to obviously put that in today. I'm gonna get Ryan to build the diff. Yeah.
Morning, Ryan. Morning. Wonderful. So good. What are we doing today, mate?
J-Max. Finishing it off.
Sick.
Doing the,
Wow.
putting the diff together.
Putting the diff together.
Fitting the cradle. And
Sounds like a jolly good time, which will be sweet. That worked. I always smell when I come in and I'm like, hang on, what's burning?
Yeah, it's
It's next door. So it's the boys doing their cutting, yeah. I always freak out. I'm like, oh my God. And I'm like, oh no, it's all good. Oh, sick.
cut that. Cut them.
Get yourself some of these. Hey, that's what I was going on about. Where'd you get them from?
Trade tools. They come in a full kit.
Ah.
I just didn't realize they were brushes you wanted yesterday.
No, that's all good. I was thinking you get some brushes, but I didn't specify. You got me some paint brushes, but I was actually asking for a brush like that. It's quite funny. Yeah, so we got to build this bad boy, clean them all up, clean all the insides out, because obviously after manufacturing, you know, they're dirty. So clean them all out, get it prepped, and then we obviously got to run all our brake lines along here, wheel speed sensors along there as well, your wiring and all that kind of stuff. Some brackets go up here for your actual brake lines to come in, so it's going to be a wicked time.